so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, then welcome to my channel. This is your sunshine girl, and I hope you all are fine. I'm fine too. Today I will share my productive day routine with all of you. Actually, what I do in a day, so you can consider it as a day blog. I wake up approximately at 9 a.m. when it's an off day and I have no university or classes. Otherwise, I have to wake up at 6:30. I mean, it's so difficult for me, but nowadays I am just adjusting. So after waking up, I'm here to just freshen up myself, and for that I'm just using normal water. I mean, exactly normal temperature water. No face wash in morning. Always remember that your face is so sensitive and so gentle when you wake up in morning, so do not use any face wash because it will make your face unnecessarily harsh. After washing my face, my next activity will be face moisturizer, and for that I'm using my Dove face moisturizer. I think this is every girl's daily morning activity. Every day we wake up, we wash our face and we apply a moisturizer whether we are going outside or not, but a moisturizer is a must for skin. But you can skip your sunscreen if you are staying at home. Just because I'm staying at home, so I'm not applying any sunscreen today. Well, I have already taken my breakfast in the meantime, and it's like 10:30. I take my breakfast regularly, and here I'm going to suggest you a good habit, which is not to drink water immediately after a meal. What you can do is waiting for 20 to 30 minutes and then drink your water. This is a great help for food digestion. Drinking water immediately after taking every food items can increase your stomach fat. So if you are a health concerned person, then take this suggestion, follow it, and make this as a habit. It will also help you to make your skin more glowing. Well, after taking my breakfast, drinking water, I do my some necessary home stuffs, like necessary not really, some unnecessary home stuffs, which is like watering my indoor plant. Other days my mom does that, but now that I am staying at home, so I think that I should do that. Then at 12 p.m. I started my bed making. I just realized that I'm doing other works, but I haven't made my bed after waking up. This is so shameful. So I started cleaning my bed and organizing it in a proper way so that it looks good and my room looks more organizing. And the good part of the day was, it was raining outside. I mean, I really like rain when I stay at home. I stayed at my balcony for like almost 20 minutes and I enjoyed the rain so much. And then a sudden thought arose in my mind that why should I not make my rainy day more enjoyable? Then I came inside and started making my favorite thing, which is making coffee. I just love coffee and I love to make coffee for myself. I never tell anybody to make it for me. Then I started doing some work for my report, which I have been given from my course teacher. It's raining outside and I'm having my coffee and doing my works. I mean, it's like one of the most enjoyable thing. I was like, okay, can I have every weekend like this? Then I remembered not every weekend day is a rainy day and not in every rainy day I will stay at home, so it can't be possible. Rather, I should enjoy my this one day. Oh, you see, it's shower time. How the day goes on with just a blink of eye. I'm taking my shower properly. In other working days, I take my shower at afternoon because I return home from my university like 4 or 4:30 p.m. In summer, this is the most important thing to keep our body more hygienic. So make sure you are taking shower every day. You can take twice a week if you don't have any cold problem. Well, now we have come to our lunch part, and for my lunch today I'm eating my favorite food, which we call in Bangla khichuri. I enjoy eating particularly this specific item since my childhood. I try to have my lunch from 2 to 3 p.m. and after lunch I will take some rest. At afternoon I had nothing to do, so as usual I was watching myself in mirror and I noticed that I have some extra growing eyebrows, so I started peeling them off. I usually do this after 2 weeks and I think now my eyebrows is looking sharp, and I think you all liked my video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Bye!